you can see by the picture at the beginning, the mailman destroyed my Stitch Fix. There was tape all over this thing. So I don't think there's anything breakable in here, so it should be okay. So welcome to my channel. My name is Robin. This is my closet. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I don't know how you got here, but I'm glad you're here. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video. As always, if you're returning, you know how much I appreciate it. And I will send everybody some warm sunshine. So I got my Stitch Fix. As most of you know, it has a $20, sorry, I'm itching, a $20 styling fee. I do have the Style Pass that they offer for $49. You pay that one time, and then there are no more styling fees for the rest of the year. But I think because Stitch Fix did that, they're getting inundated with people wanting fixes all the time. I keep getting a new stylist. I had a great stylist. Now I keep getting a new one. And I think it was like a week ago, I got an email from Stitch Fix, you know, saying, great, you got the Style Pass, but kind of like, why aren't you buying anything? And I let them know that I keep getting new stylists, and I always get fit issues, and I just don't like the styles. It's almost like they're not reading everything. I mean, you're sending me jackets and things, and I have 85-degree weather out here. So it's like you have to pay attention. They don't pay attention to, like, you know, colors that you like, and if you don't like stripes or you don't like flowers, it seems like things I checked off, they're, you know, that I don't like, they're sending me anyway. So, you know, I sent them a detailed email back letting them know why I'm not buying. You know, I mean, they send you 5 pieces, the cheapest thing is like $50 in there, and I don't like it. So I'm not going to spend $50 on something I don't like. So sorry, I'm just kind of venting because I was kind of upset that the way this email was kind of like, you know, we're giving you no styling pass, but you need to buy more. So I did peek at this fix. You know, there's a way that you can peek on there, and I did peek, and not sure. I'm leaving it to the try-on to see if I'll like it. They give you a styling card to help and your free return mailer. And let's get into it. And they put in a bag. What I request is kind of like complete outfits. So you get 5 pieces. So I have no problem with you sending me a piece of jewelry, a top, a light cardigan, pants, boots, a handbag, but I would like a complete outfit. I'm just like that. And I requested like comfortable casual clothes, so I don't need any dressy kind of things unless I have an occasion to wear them. I don't request them. So they did put this bag in here, and it is in green, and I kind of liked it. It's got the brown, I don't know if you can see this, it's got the brown strap, and it's got the pocket in the front. And it has a shoulder strap, so that's really nice. It's got phone pockets. I know it's kind of sunny, sorry about that. It's got open pocket, but it's great for when we go away for the weekend, or we're gonna go, you know, we'll go to the flea market or somewhere, and guess who has to carry everything? So it's definitely a nice size for that. Great for putting in the RV. So I do like this bag, and I'm not a green person, but I kind of like the green. And this is by Street Level, and it is called the Noah Braided Handle Canvas Tote in Olive. So believe it or not, I do like it. I don't know if it's gonna fit over my shoulder, but again, it does have a handle. So I do like that. And I will go over, oops, prices at the end. Then, oh, there's a card in here. You love Stitch Fix, they will too. So it must be for the gift card. So you can send gift cards to your, family and friends. And then is the bundle. So here is the bundle. And it is fall colors, which is fine. And let's see what's in here. So the first thing is Beacon Julia Surplus Knit Top, large in olive. So it'll definitely go with the bag. It's thin enough so that I could wear it out here. And this is the back. It's kind of got that little thing going on there. And it is crossbody, so I might have to wear a tank, which isn't a problem. And actually, I kind of like this. Okay. And the next item is, I don't know, looks like a cardigan. I did request some cardigans because I use them as jackets. Instead of having to wear a jacket, I could get away with the cardigan. And this is by August Mist, Hadley Brush Knit Cardigan, burgundy size large. And it's a really pretty color. I don't know if you can see it. When I do the try-on, I'm going to do the try-on inside so you'll be able to see it. But it's got like the burgundy and the black mix in there. So that is nice. The next thing is Heroes and Dreamers Sela Cotton Top, off-white in a large. And again, this is thin material, so this will work out here. It's a button down. Now I'm not crazy about button downs, but this is really neat. It's got this pattern like in the back. I hope the sleeves fit. They look like a 3/4 length, but the buttons don't go all or they do go all the way down, but it isn't a true to me button. So I kind of like that as well. And sorry, burgundy pants. Now these are pull-ons, and I love pull-ons. It makes it so much easier than having the zipper and the button like dig into my belly. They're a size 8, 29 length. I'm not sure how I feel about this material. I don't know. But if they look good on, let me see what they're made of. These are the Violet and Roses Cassandra pull-on bootcut pant in burgundy. And I don't know where you find what, oh, here they are. I know Kayla's closet, she always puts what every single piece is made out of. This is 76% rayon, 20% nylon, and 4% spandex. And they're made in China. I don't know, they're looking a little thin for me, but I am gonna go do a try-on, and I promise the sun won't be in your eyes, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first outfit. I have on the, let's see, the August Mist Hadley Brushed Knit Cardigan in a large. Then I have the Violets and Roses Cassandra Pull on bootcut jeans. Then I'm going to model the tote, and then the off-white Heroes and Dreamers cotton top in a large. So let me get the handbag. Let me lower you as well, sorry. So this is the handbag. I think it's really cute. I didn't put the strap on it, but I really kind of like this. And again, it's got all those great pockets. The cardigan is soft, it's thick. I think it fits well. So this will go in the maybe pile. I like the fact that it's got the black going on there, but I'm gonna take it off and you're gonna see the shirt I would need to size up, but then I thought if I sized up, it might not look good. So hold on. This is the shirt, but I've got this big peephole right there. So it's not gonna work. I can bunch it up. It's a cute top, it's lightweight, but I would definitely need to size up in this. And then I have the pants on. They pulled up very nice. They kind of fit because I know they're gonna stretch out. They're a little short if I were to wear a boot cut, but I don't like the way they feel. I don't know if it's that combination of material, but I'm really not liking the way they feel. And of course, the length is not gonna work with boots. So the pants are gonna be a no. The top I would consider, but I would definitely have to size up in it. So I will be right back with that last top. Okay, I am back with the last top, and that is the Beacon Julia Surplice Knit Top, color olive, in a large. It fits really nice. It's soft. See if I can lower you here. It's got the crisscross, so I don't have a tank under it, but it seems to fit pretty good. The sleeves are actually at a perfect length. I don't have to roll them up. They're not uncomfortable. They're not too tight on my arms. It comes at a good length. I still have the pants on. So they look nice with these pants. It's just, I don't know, something about how they feel. So let me know what you think. This is definitely gonna go in the maybe pile. So I'll be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back with the recap. I didn't even check to see who my stylist was. So it is Lucy. My first time having Lucy. Hi Robin, happy fix day. I'm sorry to see none of the pieces in your last fix worked out for you. I want you to know that your feedback is instrumental in the process. The more detail you can provide in regards to color, cut, fit, etc., the better. Thanks for giving us another chance to style you and for being patient with the process. You are awesome. So then she goes in to describe what she sent me. So overall, it was a great fix as far as it's just casual clothes. So she did a great job there. I had a fit issue with that black and white top, but I liked it. I actually liked all the pieces except for the pants. I don't know, but they were just like a funky, funny feeling. I mean, I would take jeans over these type of pants, but she did do a great job. So let's get into everything that was in here. So the off-white top that I liked, that is $46. Is it $46 worth to size up? I don't know. Then there was a street level olive handbag, and I really liked it, and it's $58. It looks very durable, and I'm sure it's well worth the price. So I'm thinking of keeping that. The Violet and Roses boot cut in burgundy were $58, and I was not feeling those from the time I took them out of the box. Just the feel, I like the style, I like the pull on, and they were also a little short. Then there's the August Mist cardigan in burgundy. I did like that. That was $38, and the last piece, that Beacon in Olive, was $40. So the total price of this fix was $240. If I do the buy all discount, it takes $60 off, and it comes to $180. Now, I'm definitely not going to keep those pants. So then I would have to decide. I do have some credits, so thank you for those that use my link. So it would bring it under $100. But again, the pants aren't gonna cut the thing there. So I'm thinking of just keeping the handbag. Maybe the cardigan. I just bought a cardigan, and so I have to check my closet to see what color it is. So let me know what you thought of the fix. I think they're really trying hard. Again, it's not Stitch Fix's fault that, you know, I'm bigger on the top, smaller on the bottom. But you did a great job. Lucy did a great job. So please leave me comments, and you guys, as always, have an awesome day.